it's been awesome. I mean, John's a great guy. He stands behind his work.
It's been a really good experience. I discovered this company about 4 years ago. One of my best friends, Chris Elms, works for him now, so that's a great connection.
My rep, Chris, or I guess he's everybody's rep, I don't know. But you can give him a call literally any time of day, and he'll answer any of your questions.
On the pro side, the 2600. When we're using liquid nitrogen and things like that, I can't add more to it, but I can always cut back. So to me, it's a super versatile product.
My favorite Greene County product so far has been 002 Microgreen. I love putting it down and a week later watching how dark the yards will get from the iron in it.
Probably the RGS or I like to use the dethatch, but not necessarily in a role as a dethatcher. We'll run low rates of it into the grass at certain times of the year to get the effect we're looking for.
Right now, it's probably Green Pop. I've been spraying that quite a bit during overseeding season.
I don't have a favorite product because I love the aerate, I love the honey badger mix. The dethatch works. The time of season I use all these products, they just work, and that's why I love it.
Next year, I'm excited to experiment with more of the Greene County products. I haven't got to use them all yet, so I'm excited to run some different combinations, whatever Chris tells me to run, so I'm looking forward to it.
Implementing more and more of this into the pro side of what I do. I actually run a lawn care business with 35 active accounts, 12 of them are fertility, and I'm looking forward to sharing more on that next year.
Rocking and rolling. I'm looking forward to everything and just to continue to grow, continuing my relationship with Greene County, and just keep growing turf.